Hello, my name is Ariel Thomas. Today is June 28th, 2026, and in this presentation, we will review what I've learned in this unit on artificial intelligence. This presentation summarizes what I learned this week about artificial intelligence, decision support systems, and expert systems. Artificial intelligence has become one of the most influential technologies in business because it enables organizations to analyze data, automate repetitive processes, and support better decision making. Throughout this week, I learned how AI works alongside decision support systems and expert systems to solve complex problems while also creating ethical responsibilities related to fairness, transparency, and accountability. The course materials emphasize that AI serves as the foundation for decision support systems and expert systems, which allows organizations to transform raw data into meaningful business intelligence. Artificial intelligence refers to computer systems that perform tasks requiring human intelligence, which include learning, reasoning, problem solving, and decision making. Modern AI relies heavily on machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. This week's readings explain that AI ranges from simple reactive systems that respond only to current information to more advanced systems capable of learning from previous experiences. While today's AI primarily operates as limited memory systems, future developments may eventually approach theory of mind capabilities. AI has become valuable because it processes enormous volumes of information faster than humans, allowing organizations to make more informed decisions and automate routine work. One of the biggest concepts I learned this week was the difference between decision support systems and expert systems. Decision support systems analyze data using model statistics and analytics to help managers make informed decisions. Expert systems replicate the reasoning of experienced professionals through knowledge bases and rule based logic. Both systems rely on artificial intelligence but serve different purposes. Decision support systems improve decision quality by providing insights, while expert systems attempt to emulate expert reasoning in specialized domains such as medicine, finance, or manufacturing. These technologies are intended to support human judgment rather than replace it. Machine learning is one of the most important technologies within artificial intelligence because it allows computers to learn from data rather than relying on programmed instructions. In this week's material, I learned about supervised learning, which uses labeled data, unsupervised learning, which discovers hidden patterns, and reinforcement learning, which improves performance through feedback. Organizations combine these learning methods with data analytics to predict customer behavior, detect fraud, recommend products, and improve healthcare outcomes. Together, machine learning and data analytics enable businesses to convert large data sets into insights that improve strategic and operational decision making. AI offers significant benefits in many industries. Businesses use AI to improve decision quality by identifying patterns humans may overlook. Automation increases operational efficiency by eliminating repetitive tasks while reducing costs and improving accuracy. During this week's readings, examples included Netflix recommendation systems, fraud detection and baking, healthcare diagnostics, logistics optimization, and personalized customer service. These examples demonstrate that AI isn't just an emergent technology, but an essential component of modern organizational strategy. Organizations that effectively integrate AI into their decision-making processes gain competitive advantages through faster insights and improved customer experiences. Although artificial intelligence provides many benefits, this week's lessons also emphasize that ethical concerns remain one of its greatest challenges. AI systems can unintentionally reinforce existing biases if they're trained using biased datasets. Organizations should ensure transparency so users understand how AI reaches its conclusions. Accountability is equally important because businesses remain responsible for AI generated decisions. Privacy concerns continue to grow as AI systems collect and analyze massive amounts of personal information. Ethical AI requires fairness, explainability, oversight, and continuous monitoring to ensure technology benefits society while minimizing harm. Successfully implementing AI requires much more than deploying technology. Organizations should begin by clearly defining business objectives and involving domain experts throughout development. High quality, unbiased data is essential because AI systems are only as good as the information used to train them. Rigorous evaluation and testing help identify weaknesses before deployment, while ongoing monitoring ensures the system continues performing effectively as business conditions evolve. This week's course materials stress that AI implementation should always include ethical considerations, continuous maintenance, and stakeholder feedback to maximize long term success. In conclusion, this week's material demonstrated that artificial intelligence is transforming organizational decision making by combining data analytics, machine learning, decision support systems, and expert systems. While these technologies improve efficiency, accuracy, and productivity, organizations must carefully manage ethical concerns related to bias, privacy, transparency, and accountability. My biggest takeaway is that AI is most effective when it enhances human expertise instead of replacing it. As AI continues to evolve, responsible implementation will become just as important as technological innovation.